Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
I didn't go looking for helicopters to fly over my house. Why would an unmarked helicopter fly so low, carrying dangerous weapons and bearing nonsense in mind, flying over my house? Ordinary citizens don't have any right. That people in government, somebody is privileged to be in government, so it takes ownership of the government that belong to all of us and use it against all of us. And some people are somewhere blabbing on marked helicopter. I've shown you the videos of the unmarked. They were flying over my house. They flew over my two houses at Obama. They flew over my house in Dekema. They flew over my grandfather's house in Buguma. They flew over my grandmother's house in Buguma. The one they did in Buguma was so terrible. They were all there and they flew several minutes. For 30 minutes, they were roving over my houses, unmarked helicopters. The government must get to the root. Why were no signs, no signage of the police, no signage of the Air Force or any other military organization that or agency that have security agency that operate such helicopter? Why were their signage, their logos not on the helicopter? So some people can just go and charter an helicopter, put guns inside, and come in a commando style to come and kill people, to maim people, and to arrest people, and we just assume they are government. And at the end of the day, they turn out to be unknown gunmen, or they turn out to be unknown Air Force men, or they turn out to be unknown helicopter men. And the country degenerated to such a level. As this country degenerated to such a level. So when I ancestors, I came directly, their DNA is inside me. Their DNA is inside me. I can't. Why would I leave frying pan and jump inside the fire? I would prefer to be in Nigeria than jump into the fire. So I have no business with Biafra. I have no business with Biafra. Yes, before I embrace Biafra. But when I saw your attitude, I cannot perpetually fight all my life. I'm 60. Even if I fight and I kill you people, we're in Biafra, we're fighting, then I will be going that sort of chaotic life, anarchy to my children. No. It's better we stay in Nigeria, where we're all big, we are big. Anytime you do it, I slap you. Anytime you bring your nonsense, I give you a dirty slap. So me, I have embraced Nigeria. And whatever I'm going to do within Nigeria is to fight that Nigeria should be better for all of us. And that's why one day, if I'm alive, I'm going to aspire as president of Nigeria. Because I have all the qualities. I have all the enablement to become president of Nigeria and to change the narrative for Nigeria. And so when you go about lying, hey, Asari will fight government, federal government. Why would I fight a country I want to rule? No. No, I can't fight a country I want to rule. I'm a Muslim. And I feel more comfortable among my Muslim brothers. True. That's the truth of the matter. I feel more comfortable among my Muslim brothers. I trust them far more than I trust you. Because when you tell me something, I can't take it to the bank. Tomorrow is something else. So my fellow Igbo brothers, Ikwere, Eshe, Ekpaya, Oba, you are Igbo people. Stop this denial. Stop this self-pity, self-denial, self-debasement. You are Igbo people. Bini people are not better than you. Don't go and be claiming Bini. And maybe if you are Bini people, why are you not speaking Bini language? Like Udekema people who came from Bini to come and settle among the people. Like Ablomai people who came from Bini to come and settle among them. Like Ghana people, like Ogbea people, like Epie Artisa, they still maintain 60% of their Bini language. Why is it that you and your mother that is very close to them are not speaking Bini, you are speaking Igbo? Equally, why are you not speaking Bini? Like, you just across Rumodu, it's Lekema. They've been there for about 2-3 centuries. Just across the river from Rumodu, just opposite there. And all these years, they continue to speak Bini. You are close to them, and you are not speaking Bini. So please, your takeaway should be, you should know, if you're an Igbo man, you're from Owerri, know that your origin is a Che. So if a Che man said it's not Igbo, then Owerri man also is not Igbo, because it's an Oranta man, and all Orantas are from a Che. Let us learn to be who we are. We might disagree with people. That does not mean that we will change from what we are. I cannot change as a dear brother because that's my father. And my father never changed. I cannot change. My father, on whose stool I'm sitting today, which relics I have in my hand today, was an Igbo man, a proud Igbo man, until the day. And almost all the children, he gave them Igbo names. His first son, he gave him Manumai. His first son, he gave him Aku. He gave him Aku. These are all Igbo names. That's why in our family you have Obona, you have this, you have that. They are all Igbo names. Shimela, Shidati, Shito. They are all Igbo names. These days, people are no longer, even me. The name that was given to me by my father's grandmother, Oyudea, gave him Uzodema. When he gave back to me, he gave me his name, Melford Uzodema Dokubo. And when I gave back to my son, Mujahid, I gave him the name, Mujahid Uzodema Dokubo. So it has continued. If I'm denying Igbo, I will not give Uzodema to my son, which my father bear, I bear, and my son is not bearing. Maybe one of the children will also bear the Uzodema. I will not go to Oafia, to Okwano, Oafia, to Gama. But what I will not accept is for Igbo to say the whole of Ijo is Igbo. No. The whole of Ijo is not Igbo. There are Ijo people like me that have Igbo blood flowing in our veins. We are not majority in Ijo land. Because there were so many Ijo people in the interior that hardly had interaction with Igbo. It is we who did slave trade, interland trade, that have almost everything we do with Igbo people. Nothing happened in Kalawar land that they will not send to the oracle at Chukwubiama. Suku, at Agochu. That's what we call Suku. There's nothing that happened that they will not go to Osuzu. These are the two places our people go to. The oracle. All the Ofo that is in Kalawari land, they are from the tribe of Osuzu. King Amakra of War was brought from by Eleru. King Amakra acquired it from the Amadian tribe at Otutueshe. If you go to the Akaso tribe, you see the Amadian tree with the white wrapper coming down, symbolizing Amadian also. A lot of Kalawa people don't know. You go to the Akaso tribe, you see that big tree, you see there, that tree there, with the white wrapper coming down. Anytime the white wrapper, they change it. That is the symbol of Amadian also. At the heart of Kalabari, at the heart of the Akaso tribe. They don't put it inside because Akaso distests blood. Also, Amadian also accept blood. Akaso distests blood. That's why within the preset of the Akaso tribe, you have it outside. That's the symbol of Amadian also. And anytime you want to know who are the children of Eleru, the priests of Amadian, you know that there are people like Deleko, there are people like Toyoko, that direct descendants of. So next time, don't inbox me when you don't know your history. Don't call me on the phone to talk rubbish when you don't know your history. Know your history. When you know your history, I'll talk with you. I've just told you where you come from. Don't be dragging it to me. Don't achieve anything by denying that history. The worst thing, how can a shame man do that? When Igbo originated from Eche. It's wrong. If we don't like the attitude of other Igbos, we should call them our speaker. The way I am doing, instead of denying who we are. We have Igbo DNA beneath our skin, like me. And that's why I'm Osimila Kata. Eh? Mm-hmm.
So, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do it to like the video, share, and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst as I give you all the update back to back. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.